Here's the app called Action Figure Maker AI Pose. So yeah, let's try it out. So yeah, I can just tap get to install it. So just double click to install it. Yeah, so here is the app. Introducing aesthetic photo maker AI Pose, the ultimate AI powered photo generator designed to revolutionize your photo experience. Whether you're looking to elevate your professional image, embrace a chic aesthetic, or simply create one of a kind visuals, our app provides premium quality outputs that redefine creativity. So you can just use these key features, stand out on LinkedIn and other professional platforms with expertly crafted AI-generated business portraits, old money style, magazine cover shots, retro photo collection, travel-inspired street style, Polaroid and 8mm film effects. So yeah, here is the app which you can try in here. So yeah, that's basically the idea, and you can try it in here. So you dive in and then there is a onboarding. So what do you want to create more? And this app is constantly updated to create these trendy AI portraits from TikTok or whatever. So here is you can try it out. You can try to sign in with Apple. All right, so let's try it out just to show you how you can create an account in here. So you just create an account and there you have it. So now you have it in here. So you can create, for example, this action figure, and this is the full pack which you can just try to use. And you need to create an AI profile for which you need to spend 300 coins, but I have 0 coins. Yeah, unfortunately, you don't have any kind of like invitation or referral system in here, so you don't have it. So yeah, you just need to upgrade. So basic $13 per week, or that's it. And there is free trial enabled. So if you want to upgrade, 3-day free trial, then $13 per week. Remember that you need to cancel 3-day free trial maximum on the second day, because if you cancel on third day, you will be charged the whole amount. That's just how it works in App Store. So yeah, that's the idea in here. You have projects, you can delete your account, and that's how you create. So use this app if you're interested in this very trendy filters like Ghibli, Toybox, like Tails, Minecraft, all the basically latest trending filters on TikTok. You can just easily create in this app. So yeah, try it out.